I definitely enjoyed doing this. I could see doing this with my grandkids as well. Now, this part is pretty important, the soil. You don't want to get it too wet and soggy, so make sure that you're adding just a little bit of water at a time and then allow it just to absorb and kind of fluff up. Now, remember, there are instructions, plus, they give you a QR code that you can just download on your phone and then just read the instructions. It really is this simple. Now you're going to see that I'm going to use my pinky finger to kind of measure the depth of the holes. They're supposed to be between 1 to 2 inches, and then you're going to place one seed in each hole. Finally, this last step, you're going to take your tool and just lightly pat the dirt on top, just so the seed makes contact with the soil. You get to label them and date them. And then finally, you want to put it in a non-direct lighted area and just watch it grow.